Welcome everyone! Today we're diving into the world of skincare with a focus on a common concern, pimples. Whether you're dealing with the occasional breakout or pesky pimples, we've got some simple and effective home remedies for you. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Cleanse your face. Start with a gentle, fragrance-free cleanser to remove dirt and excess oil. Clean skin is the foundation for any effective pimple treatment. Next up, reduce inflammation with an ice pack. Apply it to the affected area for a few minutes to soothe the skin and minimize swelling. This is a quick and easy way to bring down the redness. Tea tree oil is a natural antibacterial agent. Dab a small amount on a cotton swab and apply it directly to the pimple. It helps to kill bacteria and accelerate the healing process. Honey is a fantastic natural humectant with antimicrobial properties. Create a mask by mixing honey with a bit of cinnamon. Apply it to your face. Leave it on for 15-20 minutes, and then rinse. Your skin will thank you. Aloe vera gel is a soothing option for irritated skin. Extract the gel from a fresh aloe vera leaf and apply it to the affected area. It aids in healing and reduces redness. For an overnight treatment, consider using a spot treatment with benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid. Apply a small amount directly to the pimple before bedtime for targeted action. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare. These home remedies can be a great addition to your routine, but if you have persistent skin concerns, it's essential to consult with a dermatologist. Here's to clear, healthy skin. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more skincare tips. Until next time, take care.